How'd you do all that?
2, 1.
Hey guys, it's the Scrap Squad.
Hey guys, it's the Scrap Squad.
So we are going to be doing a bake-off against each other.
And today we're going to be on teams. So both of them are on teams, but China, she is going to be on both of our teams because he does not have a team. Because Minker wanted to get out of the competition. Okay. And I'm the W team. The W
Would
team.
you like us to redo the intro?
We are the Moneymakers.
And
they
we
are the
Super
Super
Bakers.
Bakers. And Rashad.
The Scrap Squad. Today we're going to be doing a bake-off. Me and Ariana are the money makers.
And
Me and Alea
are the Super Bakers. And we are the
Rashad, look this way. We can't hear you.
And I'm the winner.
Abriana.
Okay. We are on teams and okay, I think we should just get started. No one's saying nothing. Hey guys, it's the Scrap Squad.
Today we will be doing a bake-off.
And I'm the winner.
And me and Abriana are the money makers.
And me and Alea are the Super Bakers.
I will also be on the winners team due to Milani not wanting to compete.
Where's Milani?
Elsewhere.
Okay.
So, me and Alea, the Super Bakers, will be making some brownies.
And the Moneymakers will be making some funfetti Christmas cupcakes. And I'm gonna make the Fruity Pebbles.
So now, I guess, let's get started.
Let's get started.
Started!
See, I told you you can't talk. All right.
Started!
Okay, let's just get started and now
All right,
let's bake.
how much time do we have? We gotta like bake it too. So
Yeah,
what,
so
an
it
hour?
has to be
An hour?
probably an hour because brownies take a while.
Yeah.
All right, Alexa, set an hour-long timer.
Long timer, 1 hour, starting now.
Long timer? What does that even mean?
Okay, guys, let's get started
probably
before
name
the timer runs out.
All right,
We
three.
better find the stuff we need.
3, 2, 1, go.
be done. 3. Mommy, the cupcakes are done. 4, 3, 2, 1. Money makers. Your cupcakes are done.
What are you doing, Rashadi?
Now this.
Not yet, but are you preparing your icing? Is that the icing?
This one or this one?
Both of them. Is icing?
On these pans like this, you do it.
Is this for your brownie bar?
Yeah, so we're gonna put some chocolate chips on it with some whipped cream. And the other chocolates are extras.
Why do it look like that? So this is the thing what me and Shania is gonna do. We're gonna put some orange icing on it, but it's a Halloween color because it is from Halloween. We're still gonna put it on, even though it's not Halloween anymore. And we're gonna put some sprinkles, rainbow sprinkles.
One.
Hey guys, so we're done baking and our desserts came out pretty good. So now we're decorating.
How many rows are you guys gonna have?
So we're gonna have 4 rows, 4 columns.
best job baking. So it's the Money Makers, the Superstar Bakers,
The super bakers.
the Super Bakers,
For the money makers, super bakers,
and
the
the
winners.
winning team,
The
the W
winning.
team. Yeah, just name one. Thank you. So I'm supposed to try it now or wait until I get everyone?
Wait till you get everyone.
Okay. Alright, so tell me a little, well, I guess after I get everyone. This is Rashad's. Okay, the winning team. And we're missing the Super Bakers. The Baker Superstars. What's your group? Alright. Okay. Alright, so tell me a little bit. I'm gonna go with the group that bought me theirs last. What's your group name?
Our name is Super
The
Bakers.
Super Bakers. Okay. So tell me a little bit about your dish.
So we put some whipped cream and sprinkles and some chocolate chips.
On what?
We
On
have
the
a brownie, and we put whipped cream to top it, and to top it all off, we put sprinkles and chocolate chips.
Okay, so may I try it or do I need to hear from the rest of you?
You gotta hear from the rest.
Yeah, you
Hear
No,
from
you
the rest.
don't. Keep trying
try
it.
No, you can
Fine, try it.
Okay.
I'll bet you it's gonna taste bad.
Look at that.
That's a big fucking cake.
Okay. I like that it's not too sweet. So you've never seen that before?
No. It was. Alright. It did though.
Alright, pretty good. Alright, Rashadi, come. Thank you.
Over.
And now we gotta
Alright, Rashadi, you're fine right there. You can sit right there.
You can sit right here.
Okay, so tell me about your cake, Rashadi. What type of cake is this? Fruity Pebbles? Okay, and is this icing on top with real Fruity Pebbles cereal? Okay, let me try it. I don't think Rashadi even went for it. Alright, let's see. Okay. It's very soft, which is very good. It reminds me of a bowl of Fruity Pebbles. And I like the little crunch that the Fruity Pebble top will get off. That's pretty good.
He probably didn't even know you.
Okay. Alright, last but not least, we have the Money Makers. And I see this little signature dollar sign on the plate. Fancy.
Yeah, because we're a money maker.
Oh, that's why. Okay. Alright, so tell me a little bit about your dish.
Alright, so basically we have a vanilla cupcake with bits of candy, red and green pieces inside, and it's topped off with orange buttercream with Halloween and rainbow sprinkles.
Okay. Let's see. Let me take this decorative cupcake liner off. Yeah, I'm just gonna set that to the side. Let's see. Okay. Seems very soft, just like the Fruity Pebble cake. Not bad. The inside sprinkles give it a perfect texture. Pretty good. Pretty good.
Thank you, because I can't move. My knee just walked up and I can't move.
Okay. Push the red button inside. Okay, everyone. I've come to a decision. So you guys might as well come up now and see where your fate lies. The winning team. Winner. So everyone's dessert was pretty delightful. Some were sweet, some were not so sweet.
Okay.
Which I don't mind, but I've come to a conclusion. And the winning team is everyone. Everyone did such a fabulous job working together and making such a delicious dessert. So congratulations to you all, and I will see you guys next weekend.
What's the prize?
A dessert that you cooked.
Good point.
So next weekend we'll see what you guys will be baking for me then. Okay?
And the prize will be a nickel.
But what are we gonna be baking next weekend?
They'll just have to find out.
Peace out.
Make sure you subscribe,
Like.
comment, and we will
Ring that bell.
We'll see you next weekend.
Peace out.